Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this mouse problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together and forever. In the first step, right click on the start icon and click on device manager. You can also open this device manager by clicking on the search and simply type here device manager and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the mice and other pointing devices, so just click on this icon and you can double click on it to directly open its properties. So for the particular device, you have to right click on it and select properties, then go to drivers tab, then click on update driver. Once we're here, you can select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. If this not work, you can just go to the browse my computer for drivers and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then select the mouse one, select next, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close the window and just close this one also and restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.